Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, like I always like to start with. So we've been having this enormous rally that I've been talking about for a while. I mentioned it here. You know, we rally. I mentioned we were going to have some resistance. We blast through that, and then now we're in a double bottom, and then we're on track to be almost completed. So let's just look a little bit deeply into this lovely pair. So this is the thing, guys. I'm sure I mentioned this in the last videos, but if I go from the swing high of what, January of 2018 to the swing low of December 2018, we have 23% retracement at 400 bucks. 399, depending on what exchange, how they're drawn. Let's just round it up to 400 bucks. As you guys know, I do like when we are in a downtrend or uptrend. Either way, when we break the 23% retracement, because typically that tells me that the trend has shifted. So that being said, look at this. We are holding above the 23% retracement. We have a 20-day moving average. We're in good shape, guys. As long as we stay above this 23% retracement, I'm bullish, and I definitely think that we're going to complete our 480 target. So, I mean, if you guys follow anything, you guys made some shackles back at, 240 or so, because I've been talking about this for a while. Now, let's just do something a little bit different here. Let's just go back and go a little bit deeper, because I like to go as deep as possible, because that helps us understand how markets are changing. So let's just move this fibs. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because it's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. We're going to teach everyone about crypto. I mean, we're a community here, so if you get anything useful out of this channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, don't forget to pulverize that like button and hit that subscribe button, guys. So let's just move the fibs from the swing high to, I think it's about there. Let's see. So that being said, guys, if we ultimate goal go from the swing low to the swing high, we are definitely has shifted the trend to keep going up. Because look at this, right at about what, 339 or so, that is our 23% retracement. So we are definitely past that. So ultimately, I think 339, if we break below that, I will get concerned, but prior to that, we're still in good shape. Now, let's just move this fib back to what they were before. And let's just do some extension. So we're going to take this fibs off. Let's just clear this off. I like when stuff is nice and easy to see. When it gets too complex, it's kind of confusing. So let's just do some extension from here, about there. Let's see, right there. Perfect. So doing the fib extensions from what, June 27th low, so at about what, 217 or so, to the August 2nd high. So we are, so that's 413 and then 362, which is the lower one. So here's the thing. So we have some resistance at 38% retracements, 437 or so, 440, because the market's like round numbers, guys. Just remember that. all the markets like round number. I don't know why, it's just how it is. So we are holding above the 23% retracement of that extension and the 23% retracement of the bigger swing. So we are still bullish, and ultimately your next target 461. So if you were just to place a position, now if it's 461, I don't like it that much because risk to reward, you know, it's 2.45 to 1. But if you were to, so this is why I love the fibs. So if, look at this, guys. So this double bottom that puts our target at what, 484. This fib extensions puts us at 484. So if we do it that way, then I do like the risk to reward 3.6 to 1, which is great. So I don't know if I'm gonna get my feet wet with this position, but that's something to keep in mind right now. I think maybe once we completed that and then pull back and then rally again, and I'll be more interested. But I think I'm gonna stand aside, even though risk to reward checks out. So if you guys like the video, guys, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.